Well, good afternoon, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for both northern lower and east upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, the 13th of July, 2013. We'll take a look at our upcoming hazardous weather. First of all, we're looking at increasingly hot and humid weather to spread across all areas Monday through Wednesday, with the hottest weather holding off for both Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. Now, the combination of heat and increasing humidity will cause heat index readings, and that is what the temperature actually feels like to the exposed skin, to reach well into the 90s across all areas Monday through Wednesday, and possibly near 100 across interior sections of northern lower Michigan Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. As a result, conditions will become increasingly uncomfortable, and plan accordingly if you are going to be working or have outdoor plans for any extended period of time, once again Monday through Wednesday afternoons. And as the heat and humidity increases towards the middle and end portions of the week, thunderstorms are expected to develop across all areas, once again Wednesday through Friday. Impacts are to be determined. However, as it looks now, severe weather is not likely, although localized heavy areas of rainfall is possible through that time frame. And that'll be much needed rainfall by the time that period moves around. Looking at our current weather map, you can see high pressure extending from the West Atlantic back west through the northern Great Lakes, with low pressure off to across the Central Plains. All the moisture is well off to our west, an area of showers and thunderstorms across the northern Mississippi and central Mississippi Valley regions. However, plenty of dry air across our area has prevented any precipitation from occurring, and that'll be the trend right on to Sunday. As you can see, very little change in the weather map as conditions become increasingly blocky and slow moving, with high pressure extending back from the Atlantic over to the northern Great Lakes. And that'll be the trend right through the first part of the upcoming work week, right in through Wednesday. And because of the south winds on the backside of that high pressure, this will result in increasingly heat and humidity across the northern Great Lakes. However, any precipitation looks to remain basically off to our northwest and well off to our south. You can see that here in the 3-day precipitation forecasts, ranging from tonight through Tuesday, with most precipitation well off to our northwest and off to our south across the Gulf Coast states. Now, there is an isolated chance for a shower and thunderstorm, especially Tuesday afternoon and later Wednesday afternoon across the interior sections of northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. However, this should be more the exception than the rule, and most areas will remain dry, although increasingly hot and humid. Take a look at our weather story graphic. You can see tonight, clear and mild. Temperatures generally in the 50s and 60s under, once again, plenty of clear skies. And looking at our hazards, you can see heat and humidity on the increase across all of northern Michigan during Monday through Wednesday time frame. The hottest weather will be reserved for Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon, where heat index values, once again that's what the temperature actually feels like, will approach 100 degrees during the afternoon hours of both those afternoons across parts of northern lower Michigan. And this combination of heat and humidity may result in some showers and thunderstorm chances, especially Wednesday through Friday of this upcoming work week. Now, this concludes your hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. Your next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.